If your broilers are opening their mouths to breathe, making strange coughing sounds, or suddenly reducing feed intake, you're not dealing with a small issue. You're watching the early stage of flock collapse. Most farmers react late, and by the time drugs enter the system, losses have already started. But here's what many people overlook. A simple bitter leaf and ginger combination, when mixed the right way, can begin clearing blocked airways within days without stressing your birds or draining your money. And there's one common mistake farmers make with bitter leaf that actually makes things worse. I'll show you that shortly. Before we go further, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from right now? Drop your location in the comments. It helps me understand your environment and tailor these solutions better for you. And if you're serious about raising healthier broilers without depending on expensive drugs every time, hit subscribe now. This channel is for farmers who want real results, not trial and error. Respiratory problems don't just appear overnight and disappear. It starts small, one bird stretching its neck, another one breathing with its mouth open. Then you hear light coughing, and before you know it, feed consumption drops. Growth slows. Weak birds start falling behind, and then mortality begins. This is where most farmers make costly mistakes. Some ignore it early, thinking it will pass. Others rush into antibiotics without understanding what's really going on. But here's the truth. You're not just dealing with infection. Inside the bird, the airways are getting blocked with mucus. Inflammation builds up. Oxygen flow reduces. The bird begins to struggle just to breathe. And once breathing becomes difficult, everything else starts failing. Feed intake drops. Weight gain stops. The immune system weakens. That's why some farmers treat and still lose birds. Because they're attacking bacteria, but not clearing the airway. So the real goal is simple. Clear the airway. Reduce inflammation. Let's tool a breathing fast. That's where this bitter leaf and ginger combination becomes powerful if you use it correctly. But many farmers get it wrong from the beginning. Bitter leaf is strong. It's antibacterial, detoxifying, and very effective at clearing internal buildup. But if you misuse it, it will backfire. Some farmers use too much. Others wash it too much. Let's break that down. When you use too much bitter leaf, the strong bitterness suppresses appetite. Your birds start eating less. Now imagine birds that are already struggling to breathe, and now they're not eating properly. You've just made the situation worse. Then there's overwashing. Many farmers wash bitter leaf again and again until the bitterness disappears. At that point, you've removed most of the active compounds. You're no longer treating anything. You're just giving weak liquid. So instead of helping your birds, you're losing valuable time. What you need is balance. And this is where ginger comes in. Ginger is not just something you add for mixing. It plays a major role. Ginger reduces inflammation inside the respiratory system. It improves blood circulation. It helps open blocked airways. And most importantly, it stimulates appetite. So while bitter leaf is cleaning out the system, ginger is opening the airways and helping the bird recover faster. Without ginger, bitter leaf can become too harsh. Recovery slows down. Feed intake drops. But when both are balanced properly, you get a complete effect. Cleaning, opening, and healing happening together. That balance is what most farmers miss. Now let's get practical, because this is where results are either made or lost. Start with fresh bitter leaf. Do not overwash it. Just rinse it lightly to remove dirt. That's enough. Then take fresh ginger. Peel it lightly and cut it into small pieces. Put both into a grinder. Add a small amount of clean water. Not too much. You want it concentrated. Grind it thoroughly until it forms a thick mixture. After that, filter it using a clean cloth or sieve. What you're collecting is your extract. That liquid is where the power is. But the most important part is the ratio. Too much bitter leaf and birds stop eating. Too much ginger, and the mixture becomes weak. The balance that works is simple. 70% bitter leaf, 30% ginger. If you're measuring by hand, think of it this way. 1 full handful of bitter leaf, half a thumb-sized piece of ginger. This balance keeps the mixture effective without affecting appetite. Ignore this, and your results will be inconsistent. Follow it, and you'll start seeing predictable improvement. Now, how you give it to your birds matters just as much. Take the extract and mix it into their drinking water. Use about 10 to 15 milliliters per liter of water. Give it continuously for 3 to 5 days. Change the water daily. Don't mix it with other medications at the same time. And make sure the birds are actually drinking it. If your birds are very weak, you can start with a lighter concentration on the first day, then increase gradually. Consistency is key. Skipping days reduces effectiveness. When applied properly, changes begin to show quickly. Now, a lot of farmers stop too early because they don't know what to expect. So let me walk you through it. Within the first 1 to 2 days, coughing begins to reduce. Birds start to relax slightly. By day 2 to 3, breathing improves. You'll notice more movement and activity. By day 3 to 5, appetite returns. Birds become stronger. Mortality begins to stabilize. If you don't see improvement after 3 days, then something else is wrong. It could be poor ventilation. It could be a severe infection. Or it could be that intervention came too late. And this brings us to something many farmers overlook completely. You can give the best treatment in the world. But if your poultry house has poor airflow, you're wasting your effort. Bad air keeps irritating the birds. Mucus keeps forming. Breathing remains difficult. Recovery slows down. So while using this method, make sure your ventilation is correct. Reduce ammonia smell. Keep your litter dry. Let fresh air move properly. Otherwise, you're treating symptoms while the cause is still active. Timing also matters. This method works best when used early, at the first signs of respiratory stress. It's also effective as preventive support, especially during weather changes. If birds are already collapsing heavily, you may need stronger support alongside it. But if you catch it early, you'll reduce drug costs, reduce mortality, and protect your growth performance. And that's where real profit is saved. At the end of the day, successful poultry farming is not about reacting when things get bad. It's about understanding what your birds need before the damage spreads. This bitter leaf and ginger method is not just a remedy. It's a system you can rely on, a way to act early, spend less, and keep your flock stable. Because you're not just raising chickens. You're building a system that either works for you or works against you. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever tried bitter leaf or ginger for your bird before? And what results did you see? In the next video, I'll show you how to fix poor appetite and slow growth after recovery, because that's another area where many farmers lose money without realizing it. Apply this method, observe your birds closely, and stay ahead.